Hey, what's up, guys? 2026 is here with its very first AI trend, which is going viral everywhere. You can say it is going insane, and everyone is creating these awesome caricatures using ChatGPT. This trend is with ChatGPT, so we are going to do this very quickly, and I'm going to also show you how to do it in Gemini as well. So we will be comparing ChatGPT and Gemini results, and if you want, I'll give more insights about how to make a vectorization of this image generated using ChatGPT or Gemini so that you can print it with a very high quality. So without any further ado, let's jump towards the ChatGPT. And to create this image, the prompt is very simple. Just go to chatgpt.com. Here I am in Chrome. You can use any your favorite browser. Just open chatgpt.com, or you can do it in your mobile app as well as in the desktop app of ChatGPT. So just open chatgpt.com and click on create image, and now you can see this caricature trend is already here under create images, but I'm going to just add this prompt here. The prompt is very simple. So if you look at this prompt, create a caricature of me with everything you know about me and my work. And guys, I'm going to give you all the different variations of this prompt in this video, so stay tuned. And I'm going to quickly attach an image of me so that it knows who I am and what it has to refer to create the caricature. So I have attached my image and I have given this simple prompt to ChatGPT. We are going to test this with Gemini as well. So just let me send it to ChatGPT, and while it creates the caricature, make sure you have already subscribed to the channel. If not, then you are going to miss a lot of notifications and all these awesome trends which would be in future. And guys, if you don't know, ever 8 ChatGPT has launched its new update where we can ask ChatGPT to make multiple images at a time. Earlier we need to wait until it creates one image, but now it is faster, better, and you can see digital tractor in vibrating settings, and it is just creating image of me. Let's see how it creates. Well, while it creates, okay, no worries, it's already there. Let's see what it has done for us. Oh, now you can see, as I'm a YouTuber and keep creating content, it has took all that data from my chat history. And guys, to make this very accurate, what you have to do is you need to make sure that you are using ChatGPT's account where all your history of your work or your personal life, if you want to make this more appealing and relatable to your work, so that ChatGPT knows what exactly you do in your day-to-day work. So let's head towards Gemini and let's try the same prompt here as well. Let's click on create image. Make sure you are selecting create image so that Gemini knows it has to use Nano Banana. I'm using pro version of Gemini, but you can use the normal version as well, and I'm going to attach the same reference image here as well. And let's see how much Gemini knows me, and let's just create an image. And guys, this trend is going literally insane. So just create your image, post on your socials, and don't forget to tag us. So you can just tag us on Instagram, and I'll be putting my Instagram handle in the description below. Also, to get this prompt as well as all the different variations of this prompt, I have added the link of my website in the description below so that you can quickly go there. And okay, now this particular profile which I use on Gemini is more on the digital marketing, SEO, and all those stuff. So it has created the school caricature with all these different work areas of mine, and based on that it has created this nice cool caricature. Yeah, what I was seeing, like if you want to get all the different variations of this prompt, I have added the link of this page on my website in the description below, so you can just go there and copy all these prompts. Also guys, we have recently launched UX Meet on all communities, so you can join us on Telegram as well as WhatsApp community, and you can follow us on Instagram and Reddit as well. So just go ahead and join our community. So yes, that's it. To the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.